San Antonio, Texas.
The carnage was absolutely surreal. All destruction at the... Braun could be your next Universal Champion.
I want to tell you all a short story. You see, a beast and a machine met a monster at the Royal, and he became the new Universal Champion.
By the general manager. Our general manager, Kurt Angle, and he is a flank. Kurt Angle's on here looking for a fight with Braun Strowman, but...
I was telling them a story.
I have a story too, but it doesn't have a happy ending. You put lives in danger, and that is unacceptable.
It could have been a lot worse.
I'm in charge of every WWE superstar and every backstage employee.
I look at it this way. You do your job. I did mine last week.
This is Monday Night Raw. We settle things in the ring.
That's the thing you don't get, Kurt. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want. And at the Royal Rumble, if I want to be Universal Champion, I will.
You're just lucky. But unfortunately, as a matter of fact, you're not going to compete at all. Braun Strowman, you're fired.
You gonna tell me to leave? Make me leave.
You gotta leave. Oh! Yes!
Everybody in here! I'm not leaving till everybody gets these hands! Kurt!
Guys, Braun Strowman is...
I'll show you fire me!
I don't have any other alternative but to call the cops and tell them to order their SWAT team. Come on. Oh, God, they're worth $12 million.
Fire me. Fire me. I'll shut this whole show down. What's this do? What about you? What is this? How do I shut this stuff off? You guys in here think it's funny and I'm getting fired. Think it's funny? Get out of here! Run! I'm shutting everything down!
We good?
We're still...
What the hell? Oh, no. Oh, my God. No.
You better get out of here if you know what's good for you. I call the cops. Braun, what are you doing? Braun, what the? Braun, stop!
Oh, my God. What did we just witness? It tipped it over. Cops, get here quick.
Sir.
Get away from me!
Who can stop this man? I mean, Strowman's coming out here.
Not a good situation.
Oh my God, the Monster Among Men is coming out here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Stop. Stephanie McMahon just called and she has rehired you. Okay, you're not fired. You're still in the championship. Michael Cole, go.
I can't imagine why Stephanie would have rehired this man. No, Braun. No.